everyone, this is Heart Capricorn. Today I want to discuss how to make them miss you. Now, one of the most important ways to make someone miss you is definitely just focusing on yourself. Focus on leveling up yourself and just doing better for yourself overall. Do something that makes you happy. Don't just always sit around waiting for someone to miss you or waiting for someone to give you that attention. Find happiness within yourself, and then everything else will come to you. With or without their attention, just learn how to be able to do the things that you want to do and become who you really want to become. This is going to be extremely important when it comes to building up your confidence and just every other aspect in your life. And so if you're able to focus on yourself and make yourself better, it just will make everybody drawn to you, make more people just want to be around you, make people want to give you that attention and miss you. It's really a key to life. Be able to level up yourself, do things for yourself that genuinely makes you happy, find your passions, find your ambition. Don't always just worry about what other people are doing or if other people are missing you. Focus on yourself, focus on your goals, and just do things for yourself. Use this alone time to explore different hobbies that you may enjoy, different books you may enjoy. Just learn how to do things. Start a business that you maybe wanted to always start it, but you never really had the time. Focus in and make that time, and don't just sit around and wait for other people to do things for you or wait around for people to give you attention or to show you that they miss you. Go out and create your own lane, and trust me, everything will always fall into place when you do things naturally. When you do things from your heart and when you do things in a genuine manner, people will flow to you. They will want to be around you. They will want to give you that attention. So just be a better person. Focus in on what you have going on, and everything will fall into place. And trust me, they will miss you. And the next way to get somebody to miss you is definitely leaving something to the imagination. Yes, it is okay to leave some things off of the table. It is okay to leave some things up to the imagination just to keep them guessing and always coming back for more. They're always going to feel like they have missed something or something is going on without them. And so they're going to want to be around you and reach out to you naturally. And so just don't give them everything. And that's important for any type of relationship that you are in. Never give people everything about you. It's okay to let people into your life and into your space, but it's not okay to constantly just let everybody know every aspect of your life or everything that you have going on. Just leave some things to yourself. Give things to people piece by piece. Don't just lay everything out for them on a full platter. Make them work for some things. Make them work for your time and attention as well. And don't always feel like you constantly have to be in somebody's company. Be able to spend time away without them and without having to have constant communication or constantly having to make yourself known to them. Give them some space as well. As Capricorns, we definitely know how to take that time to ourselves, and we know how to dip off when it's time to dip off and take that alone time. And it is important, if you do want somebody to miss you or give you more attention, it's just obvious. Don't always be around them. Don't constantly give them everything about your life. Leave some things to the imagination. It is totally fine. And it is important to always give them the chance to miss you. You know, you see people who are in relationships or whatever, and there's nothing wrong with it, honestly. If you're comfortable with being around somebody all the time, then that's okay. But you see people in relationships or whatever, and they're constantly around their person without any breaks. And I always wonder, like, do they get tired of each other at any point? Like, as Capricorns, we need that space. And maybe that's why I don't fully understand the concept of constantly having to be around somebody from morning, noon to night. That's just not how we are wired. And so we are okay with giving people space and having our alone time. And I'm a married woman, and me and my husband don't spend every waking moment around each other. And we're fine with that. And when we come together, everything just comes into place like it's supposed to. You're supposed to give each other that time and that space, because at the end of the day, you are two different people. You're not the same person. Everyone has their wants and their needs. And when you come together, that is when you can put all of the pieces of the puzzle together and make everything that much better. But it's important for you to have that time and space to breathe and to find your passion and to find the things that you truly want to do without somebody always hovering over you or breathing down your neck. And trust me, they will miss you. If you give them space, if you give them time, they will miss you and they will come reaching out to you with no problem. And the last point I'm going to touch on as to how to make someone miss you, don't stress it. Don't constantly give it all of your energy. Like I said earlier, it's important to focus on yourself, level up, and do the things that you truly want to do. Find better things to do with your time other than just sitting around wondering if somebody is constantly missing you. As a Capricorn, it is natural for us to just keep ourselves busy doing things, because we do have the tendency to stress and overthink and just run our mind into the ground. And so it is important for us to find things that we like to do. And it is important for us to keep ourselves busy, whether it is with our imagination, with our hands. It is important for Capricorns to just constantly find something that will occupy our time, because our mind is constantly racing. Our mind is constantly maybe wandering to places that it really doesn't need to be in, or making up things that really don't exist. And so Capricorns definitely have to find things to do with our times. We have to find things that will make us distress. We don't need to sit around constantly thinking about whether somebody is missing us, because honestly, how productive is that? And as a Capricorn, that is what we're thinking about. How productive is it for me to sit around not using my time wisely, wondering if somebody else is missing me? No. Capricorns, we are not doing that. Find something to occupy your time. Find something meaningful to do and just flourish by yourself first before you try to bring somebody into your life. Be able to sustain yourself and be able to make yourself happy without somebody else, or without having to wonder if someone is missing you, if someone wants to show you attention. You don't have time for that. You really don't. Occupy your time, find something to do, and don't stress if somebody is missing you. Focus on bettering yourself and bettering your life, and people will naturally be drawn to you, and people will naturally want to give you the attention that you may crave. All right, so down below, help each other out. What are some ways that you make someone miss you? I really want to hear what you guys have to say about this topic down below. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more videos, and you'll be sure to hear from me soon. All right, bye-bye.